Hey everyone. So basically, sorry. Today's it's not this day. It's today. Two slaves. Storms going on right now. I'm recording these podcasts now. But this is what how to monitor the dangerous slight risk of your thunderstorms. Moderate risk, slight risk, moderate risk here, slight risk, and moderate risk here. But you guys fires getting storms, you can just you have kind of tornadoes, but I think today ain't how we ain't looking at today. I mean, it's not very dangerous. So look at today. Monday. I'm sure I feel like it has rainfall. There's excessive rainfall. Over here tomorrow. I have changed it over. Yeah, here's the slate. Change it over to the worst route. I'm sorry, worst. Here's the slate. See, there's a huge slight risk here. It's a pretty big slate. See, it's over 20 million. But you know, it's 20 million people, something like that. It's huge. Sorry, everyone. But you see right here, and score 28. I'm not 20. See the 5% risk over here. Basically, 5% risk would be you have a chance of tornadoes over the 5% chance of tornadoes. Now they only have a slight chance of 2% risk, but 5% risk, you have a chance of tornadoes. Not a very good chance, though, but a good, not a good chance. 10 would be a good chance of 5%. Sorry, everyone. Alright, go to look at the wind. So you have 5%. They go up to 16 to 5% risk, 15% risk. I can go up to 70 probably wind gusts, 70 risk. 15%. Now over here, 15% significant risk. That means that it just means you're gonna have more. Basically 75%. Basically 75 miles per hour wind gusts in the temperature. That is enhanced 30. However, take it right. It'd be 75, won't be 80 miles per hour, 30, but this is 15, this is 75 miles per hour. It's pretty dangerous in this area. Hold on, 20 for a second, right, just come on. The window is mainly look at, and I'll look at tail in a second here, but probably over 20 with 25 miles at point now. Now let's go to wind. Probability of a damaging thunderstorm winds, a wind gust of 50 knots, basically 60 miles per hour. Or higher with 20 miles of a point. Sorry, I'm not trying. I'm full of allergies. Hashtag, which is black thing right here. Hashtag 10% of greater probability of wind gust, 65 knots, is just 75 miles per hour, 75 miles per hour, or greater within 25 miles of a point. So if you're in this hatchery or the 15% range, you have a good chance of having severe, having strong wind gusts today. This is just having hazardous. You have the same amount of chance of having but now let's go to hail. Now hail, see the 15% risk in. That's pretty big too. But 15% risk here. And the 15% significant risk over here. Basically, some large damaging hail. It means a giant hail. So it's really not. It's not very common. So it's rare and a 15% risk. So it's even more common, but to 15, it's very rare and a slight risk to have large damaging hail, giant hail, and a 15% risk right here. And 15% significant risk right here. So probability of 1 inch diameter hail larger within 25 miles of a point. Hashtag a 10% greater probability of 2 inch diameter hail or larger within 25 miles of a point. So talk about the 2 inch hail here. And when let's talk about the 75 miles per hour. The wind and the hail that we're talking about. The 20s are much of a risk. They want to get 21. We're going to read it now. These ones are high, also going to apply start like early in the morning, like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, because you know there's a moving system. It'll probably move. They just got this. You have to travel like at 3 o'clock in the morning to get this done. But here's the cities right here. But, you know we'll have updates. No update coming. And then more updates. Right? 5% risk. Sorry, I got wind, and hail. Come on, hail. Come on, you need to move over to hail. You know, this is a slower one. I don't know why just how it's ending because how slow. Usually fast, I was slow. Come on. Oh, great. Great. Gotta keep it great. It just crashed, but it just crashed. Being stupid. Watch refresh it. Okay, hail. There we go. There we go. County, I don't know why I did that for. Counties. You got ridiculous refreshing. When it's yet though. Not 30 on not that. That's 30. We're not on 30. Wind and hail. There you go. You want to back it, you want to, okay, but watch out without the storms. I would say you have to travel like really early in the morning, like before the, like I think like 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning. That's a dangerous time to travel. You gotta travel through through the night. We have to be at steeple. We have to, you know. Oh, I would say you want. I say like to sit here. The best time traveling because you can't really make it. So hey, you travel to the interstate. That's in the 2% risk area. So you're less chance of taking one the storm out and wind. I would say don't travel in the hatch area. I say travel out inside the hatch area. These go to 15 or you go to 5 and you gotta go to 15 and stuff. And hail. I was to travel 1 inch is enough whatever it's gonna do, man. Like Dennis cars 2 inch hail, I don't know what to do here, but no more damage to cars. I didn't to travel in the hatch area either. Travel right here. Unless you're gonna risk your vehicle being destroyed, I would read now. I don't need that, but there is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms late Monday. Yeah, for us. I'm not making a video now. You can't capture us. Now you come after me.
I'm not asking. I'm just commenting.
Yeah. I didn't say
I'm allowed to comment.
Yeah, I didn't help you make it worse. Late Monday through. Oh, never mind, guys. Now it's all late Monday, I guess. New system, I guess. Oh my god, sorry, I was thinking of late Monday, so I would say travel like the afternoon. If I was travel in the afternoon, I would say travel in the afternoon. Don't travel much. You don't travel. You guys should travel in the afternoon. Don't take shortcuts. Try it's just in the hatch here, but travel in the afternoon. So it's travel after because this is probably a new system is coming. So you know my days through Monday night across parts of southern Great Plains to summary. Severe thunderstorms are possible, particularly Monday evening to overnight hours. I consider a corridor. Okay, wild white is always here. I don't know what that even is. I don't know why they even put it here. I haven't seen it before. From northeast, Jordan, Oklahoma, through the Ozark. Okay, I don't know what these are. I don't know. I need to added portion of the lower Ohio Valley. Some of this activity may pose a risk for large damaging hail. Okay, why is this comment here? Comment here. Actually, just see damaging hail is the comment here is the spring of word. Okay, large damaging hail, giant. You don't see the giant hail. This giant hail guy, not this. This, no, not that. It's not a large L in there. This is basically giant hail and strong wind gusts. Now, this is probably up to 75 miles per hour. I would say this threat we're looking at strong wind gusts because large damaging hail is not much of a big area. I mean, that's just especially a mobile home. I break through a mobile home, but houses are your pipe or you break your roof or damage it. It's large, giant hail out there. I don't know how big it would be. Over more than 2 inches. At least large damage hail will be here. That's just a hatchet. Here might be large hail. Not large damaging hail, but here's giant hail. It's just large hail. You know, this risk here because like it can blow you. I think we always still can do it here, but it can blow you blow down the window and break your window. Strong wind gusts. Yeah, strong wind gusts. I was talking about strong wind gusts because the large damage. We had a lot of large hail, damaging hail away before in Texas, all from Texas. And that's the wind. It's refreshing. This is really like 11 minutes now because it's stupid because storm pictures. They made I can't read much now because it's stupid storm pictures, but this based on look. Saying that that's just what's going on. We don't really read much of that. 7 season possible enhanced. This is the Ohio Valley of this. Actually, yeah. This is service dew K. 60 to 70s service dew points. I would say as the enhanced as possible. You can see right here it says it says indicate a return of mid 60s to around 70s service dew points. So I say enhanced as possible in this area. Come on. Well, not all that stuff. So I say enhanced. If read that as enhanced would be possible. So that. Let's see. Yeah. So that's basically there's something else here. Let's see what else. Perhaps. Let's talk about. I'm not saying 20. No, not really a threat here because there's so much wind and hail going on. Maybe this will be 20. It won't be that strong though. Now it'll probably be super still somewhere. I don't know. Convection. You could pose a. Come on. For large destructive hail and strong damaging wind gusts. Here's what I'm trying to express this. I mean, so is the large destructive hail, but we're talking about this thing is gonna blow stuff you have around. This is why this is a large destructive hail is enhanced as possible since all this stuff is dew points so high. Cause you read this, hail strong. This will be enhanced as possible too. So yeah, come on. And it could be worse. So yeah, make sure let's see, there's another update too coming out. Update from soon, so yeah. End the video. Bye.